In web test automation, leveraging the repository and factory design patterns can significantly enhance the test data management, leading to more robust and maintainable tests. The repository pattern abstracts the storage, retrieval, and manipulation of data, allowing tests to interact with web applications data layer in a structured manner without hard-coding SQL queries or database details or app web API calls. Sometimes these HTTP repositories can be called clients. This is particularly useful for setting up test preconditions and validating outcomes. On the other hand, the factory pattern, especially when implemented with the Faker library, streamlines the generation of realistic test data. By creating dynamic data for entities like customers, invoices, tests can cover a wide range of scenarios with less effort and greater privacy, reducing the reliance on static hard-coded datasets.